Fine, you?
Good, good, good. What do we have over here today?
Today we have a Peppina EVO and the Luigino TSP.
All right, I want the Peppina EVO because this is the best machine that we've been selling at First Line. And what makes this machine so special compared to everybody else?
We have a lot of different functions. So first of all, we have our lever.
Right.
So lever avoid to remove a cappuccino cup from the drip tray before starting the irrigation. Avoid to move the water wand that can be hot. Not the wand, but the terminal can be hot, and you don't have to touch with your hand.
Right.
And finally is good to see.
Right, and the wand you don't have to put on the side, you can keep it over the drip tray with the ergonomic. Yes. And this machine doesn't have the flow control device, but when you bring the flow control, your hand is already here for the flow control.
He's already in the right position to manage the flow control.
Right.
But very important, the solution we studied together.
Mm-hmm.
So I remember is an idea of Jim, and we put his idea on reality.
And what was the other idea that I told you about the water level?
Yeah, you can manage the water level
of the steam boiler
and the steam boiler to that allow you to have more hot water or more steam. It depends, but what you need.
Right, more water for the Cafe Americanos, for those customers who want especially in America, United States, the big Cafe Americanos. Like this, we don't damage the heating element in the steam boiler. So it's a prevention. All right, so now the test. Let's make an espresso.
Let's take a coffee.
Okay.
You do? I do?
Okay, here, you knock it out.
Let me clean. It's not so fast. It's grinder. It's a basic.
Yes, but it grinds okay.
We use a very deep filter.
And how do you like the tap? How do you like the tamp? Just a simple tamp, right?
Yes.
Okay, put it here. And how many seconds you like to run the water for?
1 second, just to clean the shower.
Okay.
You don't need a long flash to stabilize temperature because the machine is multi-boiler.
Right.
So it's very stable, and the flash is just cleaning the shower. This is so quiet.
This is one of the quietest pumps, and now we're at a 25-second shot.
You can hear the coffee.
Yeah, you can hear the coffee. Usually you hear the rotary pumps on a lot of machines, but this machine, when I've noticed you keep it next to another machines to test, this machine is very, very quiet.
We study is quiet because we don't use the support provided from the supplier with the motor. We remove the support. We study our own support. Mm-hmm. We study the rubber hardness. Right. So to reach this result, there is a lot of work behind.
Right.
It's not so easy, but it's our work.
But it's your secret too.
Yeah.
It's your secret. Okay, let's enjoy a nice espresso. Salute.
Salute.
Smells very good.
100% Arabica.
Wow, this tastes good for Arabica. Normally I like a little bit of Robusta, but this is very, very smooth.
It's a different roasted. It's not, we use an Arabica that make a little bit more cream compared to the 100% Arabica.
Yes.
Only because we ask to a different roasting.
Okay.
So you can roast more acid or less acid.
Right.
This is
very, very good.
Explanation about our roaster.
Very delicious. Well, that's about all for the Peppina here. We enjoyed a very good espresso with Andrea here in Italy that we came to visit host here in 2025. And just to show you and explain the main features that really separate this dual boiler compared to everyone else. Very reliable machine. We're selling it first line for about 3 years, and the defect rate is very, very, very low compared to everyone else. Thank you for watching. This is Andrea with Torre
Ciao a
Espresso,
tutti.
Java Gym with First Line Equipment, and I do have my gold watch on to show a little gold off. And have a wonderful day and order one of these today. Take care.